What's up, Oculus gang? We're back with another week. Let's do a little review before this week begins. Right here we have QQQ, and pre-market we're at 508.40. So last week's plan pretty much went very good. We held the weekly low at 497, 495, and we just kept going up every single day into 503 or 506. And my little mistake Tuesday, I wanted to play downside and missed a run up on Tuesday, and then Wednesday and so on we made up for it with catching the drops and into the big pops, and we stuck with calls and just kept making money on calls on the dips. So this week looks pretty much the same but at higher prices. So dips look like they're going to be bought if they're into 505, 506. It looks like majority of the time might be up into 510 and above. And SPY is looking the same. SPY's at 598.60 right now, and it's pushing over its volume profiles from 2 weeks ago. 600 was a key spot. If we break it, then we're going to be in new price discovery, and probably going to be wild if that happens. We're on a short week this week. We have Thanksgiving Thursday, and usually short weeks are pumpy, so we might get a big pump this week. Just got to be careful because they can hold off that pump until the end of the week, and you can catch a very good move at the end of the week if they hold it until then. Let's go back to QQQ. So QQQ has more of like room to like work with. Like we have previous levels to work with here. SPY not so much if it breaks 600. QQQ, we look at 510. And we have all these levels here at 513. So 513 would be like a good target to have before you're like, I don't know what to do now. And then once we get above 513, you'd use 513 as a support for higher. And same for 510. Get above 510, use it as support back in the 513. And yeah, this is going to be the plan this week. And let's look at Tesla. So Tesla's up like $7 pre-market, and I wanted to go over that amazing play we had Friday. So we just had all of these lined up here at 341, 340, and we caught the dip here around 340, and then we got dipped on a little bit more to like 337, and then it just blasted off Friday. It was pretty crazy. That was a great play. So you got the bullish profile, neutral bullish, and we broke out of this bearish one here because we had two bullish profiles here that just shot us straight up. And it looks like, yeah, there's clear skies on Tesla as long as it's above 345, which is above by $14 now. Keep an eye on Tesla because that sucker can just keep gapping up. See, Nvidia gives a hard time. It's still, wow, it was up pre-market and then I guess it dropped. Yeah, Nvidia is something to watch here at 141. Got these below. Could cause some trouble in the market this week early on. But above 144, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels here lined up at 144. And if it retakes it, boom, instant, easy $3. And above that, it would be just like Tesla, form something here at 147 and then just blast off a couple days later. So yeah, we got that. Let's go back to QQ. We got this gap here on QQQ. 506 should be supported, but I think I might go for that 510 is a must, I think. Uh, yeah, if we see downside this week, I feel like it's just going to be very limited, and it's nothing to be fearful about until we get below 497, the weekly low from last week. Probably play some puts below 505, but anywhere around 506 should be 506 to 505 should be supported now. It was old resistance, now it can be new support. Yeah, let's see what the VIX is doing. Yeah, the VIX is gapped down all the way from 18 last Wednesday all the way to below 15 this morning. Let's see. There's not much being shown there with the indicators. Yeah, I don't see any. This is not a bullish pattern in VIX, as long as it doesn't like reclaim 17 very fast, which I don't think it will. Probably gap down somewhere, and that's what gives us the 510 on QQQ and over 600 on SPY before it gets that double bottom or something. Yeah, so pretty much it looks like, yeah, the dollar DXY has went all the way to 108 Friday and Thursday, and it's dropped all the way down to 106.80 now, so it should be, let's check gold. Can't even see what the hell. This gold's not up that much. It's not. Yeah, the dollar looks good. Let's check the euro. Euro looks strong because the dollar's weak. So there should be, like, it doesn't seem like there's gonna be risk. But QQQ's acting weird at 508.50 here. Yeah, we got some profile forming here on the futures, but which is at what, 508.50ish on QQQ. So it's gonna be a good level to use today. It's right above this gap. It's holding so far, but the gap goes down to 506.50. So yeah, just remember what I said in the beginning of the video, and let's print this week, guys. Come on, good luck to everyone, and let's make this money.